Welcome back. Today we work on section 2-1, use a general strategy to solve linear equations. By the end of this section, you'll be able to solve linear equations using a general strategy, classify equations, solve equations with fraction or decimal coefficients. All right, a solution of an equation is a value of a variable that makes a true statement when substituted into the equation. What does that mean? Determine, let's see what it means by an example. Whether the following values are solutions to this equation. Well, y equals 3/5. I want to check whether it solves this equation. So that's your equation. Take 3/5. You are going to substitute for y. You don't know whether it is going to give you equality, so don't forget to write question mark. Is this equal? Simplify the left, simplify the right. We know how to multiply. Well, common factors 5 go, you are left with 3 and 3 here. Here, 5 goes in 10 2 times. 2 times 3 will be a 6 minus 4. Left hand side gives me 6. Right hand side 6 minus 4 gives me 2. 6 is not equal to 2. Therefore, 3/5 does not solve. Okay? 6 not equal to 2. Therefore, 3/5 does not solve this equation. Next, let's try 7/5. In the same equation, write the equation as is and substitute 7/5 for y. Don't forget, we don't know whether it's going to be equal, so place a question mark there. Now 5's cancel, I'm left with 7 plus 3. 5 goes in 10 2 times. 2 times 7 is 14 minus 4. Aha, that's a 10, and it is indeed equal. So 7/5 is a solution. All right. Similarly, now let's try ourselves this equation for these values. This equation for these values. Okay. So let's try ourselves. The equation under question is 9y plus 2 equals 6y plus 3. All right. So this is problem 2.1, correct? So you want to check whether 4/3 is a solution. Y equals fraction 4/3 is a solution. Okay. Just make it more readable. All right. So we want to substitute y equals 4/3 wherever we see y, right? So 9 times parentheses plus 2 question mark equal, okay, 6 times y plus 3. 6 times parentheses plus 3. What goes in parentheses? Y. Y is 4/3. All right. So we want to check whether this side is equal to this side. 3 reduces 9 3 times. 3 times 4 plus 2. Question equal. 3 reduces 6 2 times. 4 plus 3. 3 times 4 is 12 plus, oops, that's a mistake, 2. 12 plus 2 is, question is it equal to 8 plus 3. 12 plus 2 is 14. Is it equal to 11? Well, we know it is not. So not equal 11. So fraction 4 over 3 is not a solution of the given equation. All right. Likewise, let's try 1 over 3. The equation is the same, right? The equation is the same. 9 parenthesis plus 2 question equals 6 parenthesis plus 3. Parenthesis is y, which is 1/3. Parenthesis is y, which is 1/3. Okay, so we are trying B part. Let me write it down. Okay, this was A part. And this is B part. Okay, so, well, it's a question mark. 3 reduces 9 3 times. Question equals 3 reduces 6 2 times. What happens here? 3 plus 2. Question equals 2 plus 3. 5 is indeed 5. 5 is indeed equal 5. So, y equals fraction 1/3 is a solution. All right. Let's try problem 2.2. Okay. You want to given equation 4x minus 2 equals 2x plus 1. A part says check x equals fraction 3 over 2. All right. Okay. So, what are we going to do? Replace x by parentheses because we are going to substitute. Question equal, so don't forget it's a question equal 2 parentheses plus 1. What goes in the parentheses? 3 halves. Okay. 2 reduces 4 2 times. Question equals 2 reduces 2 once plus 1. That's 6 minus 2. Question equals 3 plus 1. 4 and here is 4. So they are indeed equal. So what does that make? Yes. X is 3 halves is a solution. All right. Next one is x equals negative half. Well, same procedure. You're looking at this equation. So wherever you see variable, place parentheses first. And you want to check equality 2 parentheses plus 1. Now parentheses becomes fraction 1 over 2 with a negative. Parenthesis becomes a fraction 1 over 2 with a negative. Okay, so let's continue. 2 reduces 4 2 times, negative 1 inside, minus 2. Question equals 2 reduces 2 once, negative 1 inside, plus 1. That's negative 2 minus 2. Is it, question equals, negative 1 plus 1. Negative 4, is it equal 0? No, it is not equal 0. So we know that. So x equals negative fraction 1 over 2 is not a solution. Alright, let's continue in our next video.